Hey everybody, Chad with Nobody Else's Auto. We are at the Mecum auction in Kansas City recording this episode for you. Today, or tonight, we're going to look at a car that my dad is bringing home from Mecum Auctions in Kansas City. It's a super cool ride, something I've never even seen before. So it's different, it's cool, that's why we're going to bring it to you. The one he picked up, sitting right here behind us, it's a 1973 GMC Sprint, which is basically the GMC El Camino. So not quite as popular, not quite as well known as the El Camino, but essentially the same car, same body, just GMC badging. This is kind of a special car. If you look around here on the side, it's got stripes down the side, it's got SP on the fenders, it's got rally wheels on it. You say, oh, that looks a little different. This is a little different. It's a Sprint Sport. So it's basically like would be an El Camino SS, it's the Sprint version of the SS. So it's kind of the sportier, performance type oriented car, even though it is a 73. Kind of a different shade of green, a fairly popular color back in the mid-70s, but something we definitely don't see today. And most people, if they do these cars, they paint them a different color. It wasn't the most attractive color, a lot of people think. I like it because of the originality and the time period of when this was common. This car is a really slick car, believed to be around 40,000 miles. It's had one repaint, and I think the front seat's been redone in it. So, pretty sharp car. We come all the way around the back. The stripes run the full length of the car. A few typical dings in the bed moldings, but I mean that's to be expected on one of these. They were used. The stripes come all the way around the back of this car, come around to the GMC on the tailgate. Very unique looking car, very special car, and a very different car. So we'll come on around over here. Take a look inside of this thing. Like I said, I believe the seat has been redone, but I think everything else on this car is pretty much original. Sticking with a performance-oriented theme on this, this car even has a factory tack in it. Look up behind the seats here. We flip the seats up. Car still has the jack, the spare tire, the storage compartment, everything just like it should be on one of these cars. Now, we've already kind of told you it's kind of a neat car, kind of a special car with the sport performance appearance package, had a little heavier suspension in it. Let's take a look under the hood. That's really what makes this car stand out. Come up around the front here. Let's take a look under here. Factory 454 big block. Appears to be completely original. It's not perfectly clean, but I think this thing is completely original. Factory air conditioning, factory AIR emission system still on it. I think they put a new decal on the air cleaner. I think that's about it. Everything else on this car looks legitimate, which is super cool. Believed to be, and this is what they advertise the car as, believed to be one of 71 made with a 454 sport car. So definitely a different car, a really special car, something you're not going to see every day, and that's what I like about it. You can take a car like this and you're probably never going to park next to another one. That's what makes it neat. That's why we do this, because we do it because it's fun and we enjoy it, and having something a little bit different than everybody else's is what's kind of cool. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Super cool car, taking it home with us, going back to Great Bend. Can't wait to get it there and have a little fun with it. So thanks for watching, thanks for hanging out with us. Hope you enjoyed the stuff we brought you from Mecum, and we will catch you on the next episode.